Hello, friend. Welcome my YouTube channel, Move Forward. Your phone is spying on you. It tracks where you go. It listens to you, and it sells your data without asking you. Many apps ask for your location. Even flashlight apps want your location. Why? Because they sell your data to companies. You are not the customer. You are the product. Your phone tracks your location, your microphone, your contacts you're browsing, your app use. Even how fast you walk, this data is sold again and again to ad companies and data brokers. Now here's how to stop it. For Android, open Settings. Go to Google. Ads turn off. Ad personalization. Go to Location Settings. Turn off Location History. Go to Apps. Choose App. Permissions. Turn off mic and camera if not needed. For iPhone, open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Analytics and Improvements, turn everything off. Go to Location Services. System Services, turn off significant locations and location-based ads. Go to Tracking, turn on Ask App Not to Track. If you don't do this, apps can track your kids. They can read your health searches. They can send ads for what you say. This is not just creepy. It is dangerous. Privacy is your right. You can protect it. Do these steps today. Share this video. Help others stay safe. And subscribe for more tech safety tips.